In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an IRS IP PIN in Turbotax. If you've received an identity protection PIN from the IRS, it's important to enter it correctly when preparing your tax return. This PIN helps verify your identity and can prevent issues when you file. So let's walk through exactly where to find this section in Turbotax and how to save the information properly. To begin, open your Turbotax return and go to the federal section. This is where you'll manage many of the tax-related details connected to your filing, including identity protection information. Once you're in the federal area, look for the section called Other Tax Situations. Hover over Other Tax Situations to reveal the available options. This section includes additional items that may not be part of the main income or deduction flow. So if you don't immediately see the IP PIN area elsewhere, this is the right place to check. From there, click on Identity Protection Pins. This will open the part of Turbotax where you can add or manage your IRS-issued identity protection PIN. Make sure you're selecting the correct section, since this PIN is different from any login PIN, security code, or personal password you may use for your account. Once you're on the Identity Protection PIN screen, click Add. This tells Turbotax that you want to enter a new IP PIN for the return. If you're filing jointly, be careful to enter the PIN for the correct person, since each eligible taxpayer may have their own separate IRS Ip PIN. Next, in the Identity Protection PIN field, type in your PIN exactly as it appears on your IRS notice or IRS account information. Accuracy matters here, so take a moment to double check the numbers before moving on. Even a small mistake can cause filing delays or rejection, so it's worth reviewing carefully before you continue. After entering the PIN, click Save. This stores the information in your return, so Turbotax can use it when preparing your filing for submission. Once saved, you can continue with the rest of your return as usual. A quick tip before you finish: make sure you're entering the current year's IRS IP PIN and not one from a previous tax year. These PINs are issued for a specific filing season, so using an outdated one can create problems when you e-file. And that's it. That's how to enter your IRS IP PIN in Turbotax quickly and correctly. Follow these steps carefully, save your information, and you'll be one step closer to filing your return without unnecessary delays.